Welsh Water is different from other water companies. We don't have shareholders, which means that we put every single penny we make straight back into keeping bills down and looking after your water and beautiful environment, now and for years to come. And that's exactly what we'll be doing in your community. But before we start, we wanted to let you know what we're up to. Getting fresh, clean water to your tap is a big job. We clean 800 million litres of water every day at one of our 65 treatment works. Then, we pump it through 27,000 kilometres of water pipes. That's long enough to stretch all the way to Australia and back. And the time has come for us to do some work on the network in your area, to make sure that your water stays clean, safe and tastes great for years to come. We know that this can sometimes be inconvenient, but we promise to do the job as quickly as we can. We'll cause as little disruption as possible, and when we're finished, we'll put everything neatly back as we found it. So keep an eye out for more information in the post or online. And remember, you can always get in touch if you've got any questions, or if you've got any suggestions for how we can make your life easier while we're doing the work. It's really useful to know what we can improve. And of course, we love to know when you think we've done a good job. Welsh Water, your not-for-profit water company.